Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to generate reports and financial statements in NetSuite. Now, choose from the list of available reports to generate. Let's start by checking the income statement first. You have the option to check a detailed view of the income statement or simply view the summary. In the income statement report, you can set the date range you want to run the report for and select the subsidiary. You also have the option to view columns in total. By clicking the More icon, you'll see additional filters that make it easier to customize and view the income statement report. Now, let's move on to generating a balance sheet report. You'll notice that instead of a date range, the balance sheet requires you to set a date as of, since it reflects a specific point in time. You'll also have the same filters as before, such as subsidiary, column options, and additional filters. Next, let's take a look at the cash flow statement. Notice that you can also set a date range for the cash flow statement, and the same filters as before are available. You can customize all reports to apply any additional changes or adjustments as needed. You can add filters and columns per your needs. You can also generate other reports listed in here. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.